Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this power washer last winter, but I told them I couldn't review it because it's winter time. It was still like 20 degrees. But today it's the beginning of spring and it's about 70 degrees today. Fantastic, beautiful day. Perfect day for me to power wash my deck. Let's unbox it real quick. So as you can see, I put it all together. Really cool. The top part with the winding hose. That way you don't have messy hoses all over the place. The part had to be screwed on to the base over here. Also, it has an attachment where you can put onto your gun so you can shoot foam soap on it if you want. This is a place for your gun right here. It also has a brush too, where you can hook it up to the end and you could have soap also. You could do some agitating to clean your car. It's very useful. On the gun itself, had a quick disconnect, which I've never seen before. Usually it's a screw-on. The screw-on thing is very strong. I'm not sure about this. It's just this thing right here. Push it in, goes in, let go, and it won't come out. But this is kind of flimsy over here, you know? I'm worried that over time this might break. Like I said, you can disconnect this, attach your soapy suds to it if you want, and also your brush. Quick disconnect. Has a handy place here for your nozzles. The white one is the one that you use for the slice of pie angle, like that. That's the most used one. When I installed this hose part onto the top, you have to connect the wiring so that the water goes through the hose. Connect it to the front right here. Here's the on and off switch. And it's on wheels, so it's easily pullable. This part here you had to put on 4 screws because this actually, you can wind the electric cable around here so it's less messy. Here's where you put your garden hose input, which I'm going to go and do right now, and connect it to power. Connect power. Reset button. Test. Here's my garden hose. Just connect it right there. Now I'm going to go turn on my water and we'll try it out. Okay, here we go. Water's plugged in, power's plugged in. Let's extend the hose a little bit. Okay, now it's caught. So now let's uncoil it. Alright. Okay, now that we got that all uncoiled, let's turn it on. There we go. It starts up like that a little bit, just so it pressurizes the whole line of water. Here we go. nice. Like I said, the white one is this pattern. Let's try the orange one. Easy to remove. Pull this down, pull the nozzle out, take the orange one, pull it down, stick it in, let go. Here's the orange one. Actually, I might want to use the orange one. Let's try the green one. Ooh. Maybe I want to try the green one. And finally, the red one. Okay, look at that. So this is the Wholesun 3000 PSI pressure washer. In the instruction manual, it says it's 43.5 PSI. It also comes with a unclogger pin, as well as an extra washer in case you get a leak somewhere. But it's rated at 3000 PSI. As you can see here, my deck hasn't been cleaned in a few years, and there's a lot of mildew and algae and rust areas that need to be cleaned. Let's use the orange nozzle and see how good it does. Okay, so we did a little difference here. That's the dirty, and this is the clean. Look at the difference in that. Here's where I stopped. Look at the difference. Also, if you come over to the rails, this is the dirt and the mildew and the algae that has grown over the past year. And look at that. What a difference, huh? Obviously, this is going to take all day, but we only spent about 3 to 5 minutes on this part here, and works great. So as you can see, I did about a third. It took me about an hour, but it's very satisfying. It's still dirty right here. Just want to show you how satisfying it is. So this is my new Wholesun 3000 PSI electric power washer with hose spool, attachments, brush, and soap dispenser. Works great. It took about an hour to do about a third of my deck, but it's painstaking work. But on a nice day, it's very therapeutic. It's very satisfying to see the dirt come straight off. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys are interested, we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
The UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.